If you don't understand the periodic table, chemistry will be hard. But in the next few minutes, I'll make it very easy for you. First, a scientist called Mendeleev arranged elements using their atomic mass. But today, we use atomic number. Which is more accurate. So, both times, atomic mass was used. Now, we use atomic number. So, the periodic table is just a way of arranging elements in order. It is arranged by atomic number. You may ask, what is an atomic number? An atomic number is the number of protons. It is the number of protons or electrons in a neutral atom. So for periodic law makes us to know the arrangements of elements by their atomic number. So when you arrange elements by atomic number, their properties repeat. What I mean is, for example, like school timetable, we have Monday, Tuesday, next week, it repeats. You understand? Monday, Tuesday, just like that. You understand? It repeats. That is just the way the periodic law is. The periodic table is like a big organized chart. It's like a big organized chart that arranges all elements. From the smallest to the largest based on their atomic number. You may ask, why is it arranged this way? It is arranged this way because when elements are arranged like this, their properties follow a pattern, and they also have similar elements that stay together. For example, just think of the periodic table like a classroom seating arrangements. For example, students are arranged in order. So when students are arranged in order, that order, we call it row number. Do you understand? Then students with similar behavior sit in the same column. So same thing with elements. So same column gives similar properties. Similar properties. So we're going to have something like this. So I would say rows is equal to periods. Do you understand? Why we have horizontal lines? Horizontal lines. You understand? So rows equal to periods, that is horizontal lines, and it shows the number of shells. Now that is for row. period. You understand? Row equal to periods, showing the horizontal lines and the number of shells. The numbers of shells, that is for this. Then for columns is equal to groups. Columns is equal to groups. Equal to groups. So for this one, it is not horizontal, it is vertical lines. Take note for groups, vertical lines. Now this shows the number of outer electrons. It shows the number of outer electrons. So with everything I've said, it means that the periodic table is a chart that arranges all elements in order of increasing atomic number. Take notes. Increasing atomic number. That is AN. Elements in the same column behave similarly because they have the same number of outer electrons. Alright, let us test your understanding. Read the question on your screen and choose the correct answer. Pause if you need time. Question 1. Who first constructed the periodic table? Think. The correct answer is Mendeleev, because he was the first scientist to arrange elements. Question 2. Mendeleev arranged elements based on what? Don't rush. Correct answer is atomic mass, because Mendeleev used atomic mass, not atomic number. Question 3. In the model periodic table, what is used for arrangements? Correct answer is atomic number, because modern scientists use atomic number. Question 4. What best describes the periodic table? Look carefully. Correct answer is A. Chart of elements arranged in order. A chart of elements arranged in order, because it organizes all elements. Question 5. In the modern periodic table, what increases? Correct answer is atomic number, because elements are arranged from low to high. Atomic number. Question 6. What is the main difference between Mendeleev's table and the modern one? Correct answer is arrangement by atomic number, because modern table uses atomic number instead of mass. Question 7. What does the periodic table help scientists do? Correct answer is study the arrangement of elements, because it shows how elements are organized. Question 8. Why did Mendeleev leave gaps? If you listened earlier, you should understand and know this one. Correct answer is some elements were not yet discovered. because it predicted missing elements. Question 9. What does the periodic table contain? Be careful answering this question. Correct answer is all known elements, because every element is included. Question 10. What does periodic table mean? Correct answer is repeating pattern, because properties repeat in the table. How many did you get correct? If you got most of them, you are ready for the next level. If you don't want to miss the next part, tap follow and subscribe now. In the next video, I will teach electronic configuration, the real secrets behind this.